When it comes to residential cleaning, you totally agree with me that traditional tips always work. So if you're trying to be frugal, go green, be self-sufficient, environment friendly, spend less, or just save your children and pets from all of the chemical exposure, then we have come up with fantastic vintage cleaning tips that will not only take up less space in your cupboards, but also be much more effective than the cleaning agents you get from grocery stores that also cost you so much. So here are some brilliant, mind-blowing traditional cleaning tips to get your home spotless in just a breeze. Proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. 1. Tackle rust with lemon. If your metal tools or outdoor furniture has been affected by pesky rust, just rub some lemon juice or lemonade powder on it. The citric acid will eat away the rust simply. 2. Remove greasy spots on your carpets with salt and alcohol. It's about time you ditch the professional carpet cleaning machine and harsh cleaners. Instead, mix 4 parts of rubbing alcohol with 1 part of salt. After whipping up a thick paste, apply this over the stained part of the carpet, leave it on for some minutes and then wipe it away. 3. Use black tea to shine your mirrors. Grimy mirrors are no match when it comes to black tea. After brewing a cup of strong black tea, transfer it to a spray bottle and use it for cleaning your mirrors. The tannic acid present in tea works excellent on mirrors. 4. Clean stubborn pan stains with baking soda. Now this kitchen staple works better than any chemical dish soap. It is also used as a fridge deodorizer. To restore shine to your pans, simply add some with some white vinegar and wash. 5. Use white vinegar instead of fabric softener. If you notice that your clothes have become rough, then white vinegar is the answer. It has the ability to strip all of the detergent buildup from your fabrics, restoring the softness and making your towels really fluffy. The best thing about vinegar is that the pungent scent disappears once you're done washing. 6. Soak your clothes in soapy water before washing. It's about time you skip the dozen pre-treatment products found on shelves in supermarkets. Instead, if you need to get a tough clothing stain out, simply give your garments a nice long soak in a mixture of detergent and water. You should do this a few hours before tossing them in the washing machine and watch the magic unfold. 7. Use vinegar to shine your silver. If you need to remove tarnish from your silverware or silver jewelry, you don't need any fancy chemical dips or ultrasonic jewelry cleaners. Instead, mix some white vinegar and water in equal parts and use a toothbrush to scrub away. Your silver will shine like it's new. 8. Fix tarnished brass with ketchup. Why use polish to clean your brass utensils and serving platters when you can make do with a bit of ketchup? Simply apply ketchup on the utensils and leave them for a couple of minutes. Rinse with warm water and dry thoroughly. You won't find any trace of ketchup on your utensils once you're done cleaning them. So back in the days, when fancy cleaning agents didn't exist or cost too much for the average person, people did well with these traditional tricks. So you should try one or all of these tips today and watch yourself save time, money and effort. However, if you think all of these are a little too much work for you, all you need to do is hire our young professional house cleaners to make your house spick and span. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share with your family and friends, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more cleaning tips. If you have a special topic you'd like us to talk about, simply drop a line in the comments section and we will take it from there. And remember to always go to CleanerOnCall.com for all of your professional cleaning services. See you next time.